Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to the State of Crypto, one-stop source for all crypto-related news and technical analysis. I'm your host Martin, and this is episode 349, technical analysis, crypto, and stocks. Now, if you're catching this from live, welcome, and if you're catching the replay and have any suggestions for us, please leave us a comment below. We really want to know what you're thinking. Also, if you want to be up to date with the latest crypto-related news and technicals, make sure you subscribe, hit that like button and that bell, so you're notified when we go live. And if you want to keep on chatting with us, once the stream is done, you can join us on the Discord. Links in the description, guys. So there's a link to the articles we cover here whenever we do news. There's no news right now, so there's no news for that. We haven't been doing news lately on request of some of the viewers that said they're more interested on the technicals, and I still haven't found time to just do the articles earlier on. But on that note, also, if you want to join us on Twitter, links also in the description. Thank you all for joining me tonight and being here. Jake, how's it going, bro? Yeah, Moon, bro, for sure, man. Let's wait for that to happen. Right, we did go up today. Right? We talked about some bullishness being there present, and I think we're running off that. But on that note, let's move on to the technicals. Sorry if my throat's a little bit raspy. My wife came in and they're throwing a whole bunch of insecticide in the room, like one of the closets here on the side, and it's just massively annoying, dude. I already opened the window and placed a ventilator prior to the stream starting, but there's still a little bit left, and it's just really doing a number of my nose. But anyways, let's see what's happening, dude. All right. Right. So cool. Market cap, right? We're going up. Yesterday, we went to the 20, rejected, closed below. But we know we're still above at 382 at $325.34 billion. So yesterday we managed to go up $8.54 billion, or approximately 2.67% right now, going up $217.98 million, approximately 0.07%, and sitting at a market cap of $328.35 billion. So is it good? So right, we're seeing a little bit of indecision already today. All right, look at that tiny body with both wicks to the upside and the downside, recently rejecting that 20, but also looked like we managed to hold support near the 382, which is fine. We still have 21 hours and 50 minutes to go, so plenty of time for us to really come back and figure out what's going to happen here. So, again, that's about it for market cap, right? Let's go check out Bitcoin. Bitcoin dominance, where's it at? Bitcoin gained dominance yesterday, 0.61%, today gaining 0.29. Again, price going up, hitting that 20 right now. That 20 sitting at 60.31. We're sitting at 60.33, so barely above it. I'm not worried about dominance yet. Again, I want to see Bitcoin dominate less. It's usually better for the cryptosphere. We've seen that before. So that note sitting neutral at 47.91% of market cap. Now, where is Bitcoin price at? Yesterday we had a small climb. Bitcoin sitting at $10,725.70. Is it good? It's okay. We're still below the 20. Look at this chart. We managed to get above that 10,500, which was great. I tweeted it on someone's comment today. They were saying we're gonna go to 20,000, right? I was like, dude, hell's no, dude. First, you gotta get above the 20. We didn't get above the 20. Then you have to get above resistances, right? That we have here. It's not just gonna it's not like, oh man, we're going up, we're gonna go to 20,000. That's the worst way to look at something. Let's just be fair. Let's not sell hopium to people, right? I get a little bit of annoyed by people that sell hopium, dude. That's just so. We shouldn't do that, right? If you're in this medium, we shouldn't be selling hopium to people, man. That's not the way this should go, right? By any means. Comments not showing up, so maybe that person deleted their tweet. But I think it was Litecoin Lisa who tweeted something, and I said, hell's no, dude, right? People shouldn't just be selling hopium, right? Sorry, 1 second, here we go. Oh, that song is really slow. What's up with that, right? Anyways, I think I might find it here real quick. Look for it. Here it is, right? Here's the comment. I'll just show it here on the side real quick. Look at this, right? There we go. Right. Bitcoin is moving towards the moon. All bears are wrecked. See you at 20,000. Right, because heading towards resistance at 20. Right, I said that at 5 hours ago. Once you test, and if it succeeds breaking above it, then there still be horizontal resistances that Bitcoin needs to overcome prior to reaching 20k. Right, it's not going to be a straight shot to 20k. Whoever says that, freaking out of their mind, dude. We're going to have resistances that we got to get above. Anyways, Bitcoin Jake saying, I'm just waiting on DVT to go over 33 cents. Wow, dude, I don't want to know how much you're holding if you're just waiting for 33 cents. I'm still waiting for like over $1, dude. So you're probably just been accumulating a lot more than I have. And that is good. The project is solid, but you know, it did go up today a little bit, right? I'm not sure where it's at right now, but last time I saw it, was it had a nice impulse up, then it got pulled back. We'll check it out once we get to DVT. Bitcoin. Again, getting that price action. Did we get something here? I don't think we have anything here yet. No. All right. Right on, right? So, again, getting near the 20. We didn't even quite touch it yet. And, you know, we're right now still opening bullish, right? Above that 10,654, which is, sorry, 10,674, 47. 10,647. And we're, like, not even getting to a 20 yet. That 20 right now is sitting at 10,788. So we're going to test that as resistance first and see if we get above it. If we reject, we're going to probably go lower or try to like lose some value here. But if we manage to hit it and get above, then we have 10,837 to look at, and then above that 11,120. So it's our target. Starting to make positive momentum. Very tiny though, right? We're just getting across with the MACD over there side. We could be getting a large green bar. We know that they come accompanied sometimes. And we're sitting neutral at 48.15 on the RSI, right? Jake saying, the more I have, the lower price for 1 million for you. Yes, I know that, dude. I know that for a fact. And right now, it's a very good time to add, because then you really need very little to get to 1 million, right? You just get a lot of massive volume by doing that. I should be adding more DVT, man. But you know, I'm cool right now. Let's go to the 4-hour Bitcoin. What's happening here? Right, last time we called, right? It was yesterday. When we were live, we were here, right? We're creating hidden bullish price action to the upside. We called it, right? We talked about potentially hitting the 20, right? We got above the 20 on the 4-hour, which was great. After that, we talked about maybe getting above that 10,000, that 10,647, which we did. Right now, we're holding it as support. Look at that, beautiful. Came down and held it as support, right? We're still holding on to this area very nicely, which is okay. Now, are we doing something very high, higher, high, positive, more positive? On the other side, higher. I was worried here that by the time we got here, we were going to have strong bearish, which we did, right? Look at that. If we would have ended here, right? It would have just gone to there, and then we would have anchored to there, right? We would have had that strong bearish, but this nice little impulse that we have on support at 10,647, it's really helping us not drop much lower than this. So again, that's pretty cool. We no longer have anything bearish right now. We're still running off the hidden bullish. Let's see how strong that's going to get us, right? Again, got above the 20, nice bounce, and getting higher, right? Sitting bought at 66.46, 66.38. Even from here to here, we're going slightly higher on their side, so it's all good. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. On the 1-hour, right? Look, hidden bullish, price action to the upside. Came up, right? Got above the 20, right? We're live here. We're still struggling with this area. Got above the 20. Right, look at that. Held support, right? Touch and bounce, right? Good rejection of the 20, dude. That's very good. Now, are we doing something here? We are. We're not doing what we want to do, usually. So we're going to higher, right? Everything's from this island to this island. Everything's good. Nothing bearish. Just within this island, though, right? This island is where we have our small semi-problem, let's say, right? Again, it's starting to develop. But look at that line, right? It's going straight to this top. So I have 43 minutes to go. Right now, what's worrying me, right, is that we're going straight there. We're coming in from a high to a lower high, right? Creating type 2 bearish divergence, right? Medium bearish divergence, potential for action to the downside. Now, if this manages to go slightly higher, which wouldn't be unheard of, right? Maybe 10,800. we would still very likely be making less positive momentum, and with that, we would still have strong bearish divergence, and that would potentially mean that we will expect a move to the downside. How strong of a move, we don't know yet because it hasn't developed. Right now, we have this. If this manages to go higher, we will no longer have it. We'll just have strong bearish, and then we'll have to like take a look and see where we're at, which I think is the way things are. They just seem that's the way they're gonna go, right? Anyways. What's up with this? Wow, cool. People following me. Yay. Cam Bozak is giving $100 worth of DVT to someone, I think. So if you like DVT, go and sign up and do whatever Ken Bozak is asking you guys to do. That'll be cool. Anyways, on that note, again, potential action to the downside. Right, that's where we're at with Bitcoin right now. Again, this can get negated very quickly and just become strong bearish. Right, but you know, right now we have a medium. If this goes down a little bit, right, like that, we will no longer have anything, and we'll still be cool. So right now we have that, and we just gotta observe it for what it is. On that note, let's go to. And before I move here, let's go and see what we close. Right, we talked about a gap the other day. The CME gap, right, the dreaded CME gap to the upside. If you remember, I said we're gonna close that one first, likely, and then close the bottom one. Oh, look, ma, no hands, right? Look at that, right? Close this gap today, right? We still have this gap open, but we closed this one already today, which is good, right? Eminem Live. Hey, Andrew, how's it going, bro? Steelers won, dude. I didn't get to see the match, but thank you, dude. Eminem, how's it going, Eminem? Live hackers, they're the best in the world. A phone number, a text, and contact them on WhatsApp, dude. Really? Come on, bro. No one do whatever Eminem Live's asking, dude. That's probably not legit, right? We don't need to go with hackers if we know what we're doing. But thank you, Vero, for stopping by and dropping us a line, right? Yep. Yo, thank you, Jake, for doing that. Can I look at Nim? Yeah, bro, I can look at Nim. By the way, Andrew, I think I made you a trooper on... on the Discord, bro. So you have access to like some privileged stuff for being here daily. But you know, I'll just write out him here. You put in timeout. That's cool, bro. Thanks, Jake. The thing is, it still shows here, dude. I can't delete it from here. It'll just let me like block the user, which I don't want to do that because I'm not sure. Yeah, maybe. You know. Yeah, I deleted it from here. Awesome. You know. Whatever. Anyways, yeah, we're getting this movement, right? We're covering this gap. So this gap that we had here, it's closed, right? We no longer have this gap. Boom, dead, right? Which is good. Now we have this gap open. Are we gonna close it? Really gonna depend on what Bitcoin does on the daily, right? Again, we're not quite at the 20, but if we reject the 20, we could be moving lower, right? Lower than the previous low. That would be this one. Wouldn't be weird if we managed to come down here and close that gap if we reject the 20. If we get above the 20, dude, it's on again, right? It's on like Donkey Kong. We could be going up again, which is what we probably were expecting to do, right? Anyways, high, lower, high, positive was positive, right? Anyways, that's what we're looking at here. Let's go to Ethereum, dude. Ethereum. What is happening with Ethereum? Bearish divergence, right? Hidden bullish, getting that rally, hitting the 20, rejecting, managing to hold on to the 364, right? Which is good. With wick below it, but you know, we rejected the 20 yesterday also. Look at that, right? Beautiful. Came up, hit the 20 and rejected. Right now, we're seeing that indecision. We don't know if we want to go up or we want to go down. Really, it's like, what are we going to do, man? We did go up and hit 385.67. Sorry, guys. My phone is going insane in my... Why? Probably nothing. Just my phone was going insane, dude. It's just vibrating like non-stop. I wanted to make sure I wasn't pressing any keys or anything. Anyways, you know, getting this move again, hitting the 20, rejecting, right? Trying to go higher, rejecting again. And right now, it's just indecision. Looks like we want to go up, but we're really not there yet, right? Neutral at 49.56 on the right side. Nothing happening here on the daily, so let's go to the 4-hour. Oh, by the way, something I didn't mention on the daily. Any movement up here, right, on the daily? Is it going to come up online again? There we go. Any movement up here that makes positive momentum is very likely going to make more positive momentum than this, right? This is very, very little positive momentum for this high. So we're probably going to end up creating some hidden bearish, right? Just be careful with that. Unless we really go higher than this, then we will no longer have it. But, you know, we're going to start creating hidden bearish. Let's go to the 4 hour. Again, on the 4 hour, we call it hidden bullish. Price action to the upside. We got above that 364. I think we were here yesterday night. Yeah, right here. We're this indecision, right? Trying to hold on to this area, which we did manage to hold on to, right? Even go up to 20 and managed to get above it, which is good. Right now, we're using it as support, which is also great, right? Look, we came here, touched it, and bounced, right? We're rejecting lower prices. Now, we're still making very little positive momentum right now. It's still coming in lower on the RSI, so everything's good, right? We don't have anything bearish yet. Let's go to the 1 hour, because there's really nothing going on here. Yo, Jill Charn, what's up, bro? Thanks for being here, man. Much appreciated. Haven't seen you in a while, man. I hope you're good. You're doing good. What's the last thing we had here, right? Hidden bullish to somewhere. It's not loading yet. Not sure why it's not loading, but I'm banking it's against, here we go, the RSI, right? Because we didn't have a line here. Anyways, that hidden bullish playing us to the upside very nicely again, rejecting the 20, right? We got tighter here, remember? I think we were live here and we were saying if we reject this here, we're going to start to get tighter. I think I even drew a line saying, look, we're just probably going to go like this, right? Something like this, I said. We're probably just going to go like that until we break, right? So, yeah, that's precisely what happened, right? We got caught between that 20, right? And that support at 364. And look at that, right? Rejected, moved lower, still held on. Then we managed to break above it, right? Came down, used support, double support, right? The 20 moving average and 364. And on that, we took a nice bounce. Now, we're lower, right? Positive was positive, high on their side, lower on their side. All things are good there. High, lower high. Positive, more positive. We're creating some hidden bearish here against the MACD, right? Right to there, and then from here, right? So hidden bearish. We don't have it against the RSI. Everything's good against the RSI, just against the MACD. We did move down. We hit the 20. We're taking a bounce, but we're failing to go higher. Right now we're bouncing again near the 20. So let's wait and see, dude. If we manage to go higher, we'll be good. But if we make anything positive while going higher than this, right, we're going to make very little positive momentum, and we're going to create strong bearish divergence again for potential action to the downside, right? Anyways, I'm doing great. Been busy with other stuff and missing watching your stream. Oh, dude, thanks for missing us, dude. We miss you too. Thanks for being here, though. And if you have any questions, dude, you can ask. So, yeah, it's fair game. On that note, sitting neutral at 58.01 on the RSI. Also, by the way, dude, cool stuff happened today. DVT got into CoinKit, which apparently now you can use it to tip people with, which is pretty amazing. And then Bitcoin Jake did us a solid, and he got the coin tip installed on the channel, right? So now we can tip people on the State of Crypto channel, should that be needed. And he also made it rain, so some of you got free sats, right? Look at that. Bitcoin Jake made it rain. 7 users of the channels received 1,428 sats, right? That's pretty cool. Spectre, Andrew got some of that, right? That's pretty cool. Chovy, right? Rico, right? Some of you guys got free dough today from Jake. Thank you, Jake, for being awesome, bro, and hooking people up with crypto. And for helping me set up the CoinKit bot, dude. And yeah, Bitcoin Jake got made admin, and a couple of you guys got made troopers. If you're a trooper, that means you can ask for stuff earlier, right? There's a trooper, like a pre-stream request here, right? And prior to the stream started, you could queue up some coins, and then I'll just write them down prior to the stream starting, or I'll check these out, and we're just gonna tag them on whatever order they are, which is cool, right? I mean, you guys are here every day, so I'm gonna give you priority on coin requests, basically, prior to the stream. Once the stream starts, it's fair game. Everyone has the same opportunity to request. But if you guys want to look for something before, just make sure you go and check it out there, right? Anyways, you can put it there, and we'll look at it prior to the stream and get that going on, right? Anyways, yeah, dude, we're getting cool stuff, dude. Gail Turn, I just hadn't seen you in a couple days. That's why I didn't put you there. But usually the guys that are here every day, I'm just placing there for them to be able to request stuff earlier, right? So, trying to get the channel a little bit more organized and giving a plus to all of you guys that are here every day, right? For sure. Because I appreciate you that much, and you get priority for requests. But like I said, once the stream starts, it's fair game. Jake saying, yeah, we're going nuts on Twitter today. Yeah, dude, right? There's so much stuff going on Twitter today, man. That was pretty cool. I don't think I have CoinKit installed on my Twitter. I just gotta do it, but so far it's looking really interesting. Anyways, let's go check out XRP, man. What is happening with XRP? We're rejecting that 24.26 cent area yesterday, right? Closing below. Right now we're trying to move above it again. Still below at 20. Negative momentum still there. Neutral on their side, 44.36. Really nothing happening besides that hidden bullish. So let's go to the 4-hour, man. Again, opening here below, trying to get above it. You know, maybe if I pinpoint this, we're opening at support. You know, that would be fine. But you know, it is what it is right now. XRP being weak, right? Why am I saying it's being weak? Everyone managed to pump quite a good amount yesterday. I think Bitcoin was going up like some 3%. Now we'll just confirm it real quick, right? Dude, it's staying forever. There we go. Bitcoin pumped 3.32%, right? Ethereum managed to go at least 2 point something, right? 2.94, almost 3%. Then XRP didn't get the memo, or it didn't get invited to the party because it just managed to gain a measly 1.40%. Half of that. So again, it's failing to recover. It's heavily underperforming. So let's go to the 4-hour, man. Figure out what's happening there. Right, hidden bullish. Action to the upside. We got that again. We were here live yesterday. We were talking about rejecting the 20. We did. On the next candle, we managed to get above. We started to get squeezed between that 20 and the 24.62 cent area. Get above it briefly, right? Failed to sustain it. Move below right now. Breaking above. So what's going on? Hidden bullish. That's about it. Nothing else building, right? High, lower, high. Positive was positive. High on the RSI. Lower on the RSI. So nothing there. Let's go to the 1-hour, man. Sitting neutral at 54.62 on the RSI. I think we'll leave it at that. Let's go on the 1-hour. On the 1-hour chart, again, coming in higher. That's great. Do we have something here? I'm not sure we created something here. 61, 61, 61. Dude, yeah, we're going, we created something. Did I not call this one yesterday? No, we didn't call because we did have it. Maybe I just missed this one, dude. Right, 61, 61. That's just sideways motion here, right? Like that. On XRP, and on that move, we're going from a high to a higher high, right? We're creating, that's on the 1-hour. Yeah, so we're creating a weak bearish divergence, potential fraction to downside. Now low, lower, low, negative, more negative, low on their side, lower. Nothing there, right? Coming in lower again, coming in lower. That's fine. Taking a bounce on hidden bullish that we have against the RSI, I think. Oh, see, we already had that line there. It just hadn't loaded. For some reason, it's loading super slow now. So I'm gonna get rid of that, and I'm gonna get rid of that, dude. I'm not sure why my charts are loading super slow. I was weirded out that we had missed this because that's what moved us down, right? But now that everything is loading, dude, I'm just gonna do this real quick. Save layout, and yeah, there we go. Right now it loaded. So again, bearish divergence, weak price action to downside. We created hidden bullish price action to the upside. We rallied. That's fine. Are we making a higher high? I doubt it. Let's see. Oh, we are, dude. 61. 65, right? Wrong tool. There we go. Can I switch it? There we go. Oh, it's just gonna force me to do this. Delete that. There we go. Right on, right? Look at that. Hidden bearish action to the downside. We moved down, hit that 20, took a bounce, right? Failed to go higher. Went down, taking a bounce. Failed to go higher, right? We'll see, dude. We're still trying to hold on to that 20. Looks like we're really trying to take off away from it, but we're failing, dude. So again, high, lower, high, right? We don't have that against the RSI, just against the MACD. That hidden bearish potential action to the downside. We got it once, we're getting it twice. Trying to hold on to this area, right? Neutral at 56.99. I don't think there's anything else here that I'm missing out on XRP, right? Checking out the chat real quick, make sure, trying to see who's here and who's not, but thank you all for being here and being amazing supporters. If you like what we do, hit that like button, that sub, dude. That's gonna be amazing for us here at the State of Crypto. Let's go to Litecoin. Litecoin is sitting at $49.50. Hidden bullish action to the upside again, rejecting, moving down again, trying to pump up a little bit. Nothing happening on the daily. Neutral at 42.88 on the RSI. Let's go to the 4-hour. What's going on there, right? Hidden bearish action to the downside. We're in hidden bullish action to the upside. Getting that rally, failing at a 20, trying to fight with it for a little bit, trying to go higher. Positive, positive, less positive, high, lower, high. Nothing really going on here on the 4 hour, right? There's no point in like making up stuff when there's nothing to look at. You know? Let's go to the 1 hour chart. On the 1 hour chart, we had the hidden bullish, right? We still managed to drop a little bit more by this time. As you can tell, I like that anchoring point a little bit better, and I'll show you why in a second, right? One island, right? One low, lower, low, right? Just want to make sure it's going to be on the 1 hour. It is. Awesome. Look from this island, right, to that island. This is very tiny, but it's there, right? And from here, it will just be like that move as well, right? Again, strong bullish, action to the upside, took that rally. We managed to create, I think, hidden bearish. We'll straight up 24, 25. Went slightly higher here. Slightly higher as we're coming in lower, right? I'll just anchor it from here. Do not cross over the chart. We don't have it against the RSI, just against the MACD. Price action to the downside, we move down. Hit the 20, try and find support. Right now it looks like we just want to reject lower prices, right? Look, we get tightness off the Bollinger Bands also, right? And that tightness, we exploded to the upside. That's why we look for that volatility leaving the market, right? Sitting neutral right now at 59.45 on the RSI. That's going to be it for Litecoin. Now, everyone's having that hidden bearish, right? Some of them have that strong bullish, and some of them have just the hidden bearish. But let's go check out Binance. What is happening with Binance? High, higher high, positive, right? Less positive. All right, we're going to create that bearish on the 1 hour, so let's go here, Binance, right? Look, we're talking about this hidden bearish still being there. Potential action to the downside. Large indecision day moving down right now, right? So again, on that note, we don't have anything else. Bought at 67.36. On the RSI, sitting at $29.92. Let's go to the 4 hour chart. What's going on there on the 4 hour, right? Bearish divergence. Moving down, we move down. Hit that 20, took a bounce. Great. Now what do we have here? High, 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 more positive momentum. Now short term here on the 4 hour, right? From here to here. Would you look at that? Would you look at that? We're creating strong bearish divergence. Potential for action to the downside, man. By the way, I'm not sure who's watching, but thank you all for being here, man. We have a couple people live. I'm not sure who's still here. But if you're still here with us, thank you for being awesome supporters of the channel, for reals. And if you haven't done it yet and you're new, you should definitely subscribe to this channel. We're a pretty cool bunch of people. Hitting that moving down, right? Hitting that 20, trying to find support. We rejected it once. Right now, we're hitting it again. We gotta see if we're gonna bounce from there. Nothing else building here, I think. At least not yet. 127, 118, right? Still slightly less. So let's go to the 1 hour chart. Right, on the 1 hour. What's going on here? Let's see. As you can tell, we're definitely coming in higher here. Right. And it'll just be like if I anchored from back here, right? Imagine I'm just anchoring from back here and going there. You know, we're going from here to here, right? Strong bearish divergence. Action to the downside. We move down on that. Hitting the 20. Rejecting continuously. So what happens when we reject the 20? We move lower. We don't have that hidden, that strong bearish against the RSI. We just have it against the MACD. So strong bearish moving down. Now I'm hunting for potential hidden bullish divergence, I think. That's what I'm trying to see if we have, right? So low, higher low, negative, more negative, right? Check that out, right? And they're there, right? And then from here to here also, right? So we have that hidden bullish potential for action to the upside, and we're starting to get this happening here, right? Continuation. We're in an uptrend, right? So continuation would mean upside movement. We could be trying to stall at this area, maybe getting the movement up, maybe for a retest of the 20, right? That would be great, but we'll see if we can get above that area. 20 right now at 31.39 cents, $31.39. Let's go check out. We had a request for NIM. NIM. Let's go check out NIM for Andrew, dude. NIM to the dollar. Where's NIM to the dollar, man? There we go. NIMIC. Right, we're looking for this bullish, right? Which, again, if we go here, we'll just go there, and we still have it, right? Even from here to here short term, we're creating that strong bullish. Potential action to the upside. Sold at 34.55 on the RSI. Do we have something here? 33.29, 33.74, right? So short term here, right, on the RSI. Just from here to here, right? We have some strong bullish as well. So we're expecting this to go up, right? That's the expectation, right? At least to the 20. That 20 sitting at $0.004, right? So right now the price is sitting at 0.003 or 0.3 cents, right? 0.30 cents. That's where it's at. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. 4-hour we called bearish. We moved down. Low, lower, low, negative, more negative. Low on the RSI, lower on the RSI, right? Nothing really bullish yet. Trying to recover. Maybe the 1 hour has a clue, sitting neutral at 41.82 on the RSI. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Last thing we looked at, right, yesterday, bearish divergence. It was 8 p.m., right? Hidden bearish. For some reason I have that line going on there. I think it overextended probably. Maybe we had this slightly lower. I'm not sure. But we're looking at this bearish, right? Or maybe this from the 1 hour or the dailies. It came from somewhere, right? We'll just send it back right now. Daily. There you go. Anyways. Bearish. Action down, right? We talked about that. We rejected the 20 again. Move lower. As expected. Now, on that movement lower, we're creating a strong bullish divergence. How? Well, from here to here, to be the first part of the divergence move would be this one, right? So we'll just anchor this to the 1 hour, make sure we have it just there. Look at that move right from here to here. Don't have it against the RSI, that's great though. Right, strong bearish, strong bullish action to the upside. We're struggling to really take off, but we managed to move slightly lower. On that move here, right like that, we managed to create strong bullish again, and this time we even created it against the RSI, which is good. Right now we have it against both of the oscillators, or indicators that we have here. And with that, we're expecting the price action to go up. We did go up again. Positive momentum starting to build. Sitting neutral at 45.96 on the RSI, getting above that 20, using it as support and bouncing from it. Again, still on a downtrend though. And so we have strong bullish on the 1 hour. Nothing on the 4 hour. I think we had strong bullish on the daily, right? So again, let's have that 4 hour link missing, but we'll figure out and try to see if that's going to help us go higher. On that note, that's it for NIM. Yo, Jill Tarin, do you want to look at something, dude? I just don't know if you're asking for anything, but I think you request anything. Well, while you come up with something, or anyone comes up with something, I'm going to look at DVT. DVT had a good day today. Let's get some indicators out here. Let's get the RSI and the MACD, right? RSI. The McDonald's index, there we go. We'll just call it the McDonald's index, right? We know it's not the McDonald's index. That's what we call it because we're messing around. Anyways, what's going on here, right? Look at that. Beautiful, man. Low. Higher low, right? Negative, more negative. Hidden bullish. Action to the upside. You get that rally happening. Right now, pulling back down a little bit. We don't have anything here, right? High, higher, high, right? High, higher, high. Positive, more positive, right? Nothing here. Again, even here on the RSI. Look at that, man, right? From here to here, right? Strong, hidden bullish. Action to the upside. We got that nice rally happening with DVT, man. I like that. I like what DVT is doing, dude. Again, it did go to that $5 range, right? It did hit 50 cents, sorry. Or 50 sats. Or 5 sats. 5 sats. That's correct. Not $5. 5 sats, and then we took a bounce all the way to 7.4, and then it still managed to be there at 7. So again, guys, remember how I said this is a good practice area? You can get a sizable chunk for peanuts. And you could have had a 30% increase over the last couple of hours, right? Even a day or two, I guess. Well, we'll see how many bars it's from 5 to here, right? So 2 days, right? 21 hours. So almost 3 days of action. Right? Not a lot. 10% a day. I'll take that any day, right? On that note, let's go to the 4-hour chart. The 4-hour. High, lower, high, right? Look at that. High, lower, high. Positive, more positive, right? Starting to create that bearish divergence. And even here short term, right? Strong hidden bearish again against the RSI there. And look at that, right? Against the MACD. Let's check this out, right? Look at this. Strong bearish, potential fraction to downside. We're starting to get that red candle coming in. We have hidden bearish against the RSI and just strong bearish against the MACD. So again, there's potential for price action to the downside, right? Do we have something bullish? Let's see, low. Yeah, we had some strong bullish from here to here, right? Just very, very short from in here and from in here. And here to here also. Potential for action to the upside, and we did get it, right? We got that rally. Now we have that strong bearish against the MACD and that hidden bearish against the RSI that we are expecting to play out. Now let's go to the daily and figure out what's happening there, man. What's going on in the daily? High or high, positive is positive, right? That's all good. From in here and then from in here. Right, and then from in here we had the strong bullish. We knew we were gonna get a movement up. Again, happening right now, hitting a little bit, stalling, nothing on the daily, right? Just the 4 hours bearish and the 1 hour's bullish. So we'll see how that moves throughout the day tomorrow. That's it for DVT, man. Well, you guys come up with something that I should look at. I'm going to start looking at RSR real quick. So make sure that if you have a project, just you type it out on the chat and we'll check it out, right? What am I looking for RSR? I know I have it open. I just need to find it. Where is the RSR, dude? Here it is, RSR, right? You're torn. I saw DVT had some stuff. Yeah, dude. You're doing great. DVT had some stuff, dude, right? It's playing nicely, bro. All right. If you would have gotten it at 5, dude, or 5 something, you could have gotten out at 7, right? With very, very nice profits, dude. Again, RSR, DVT is one of those projects that you get in with a little bit, right? And you can trade it because it has action. Has like any small move equates to a huge potential because it's just so low in value that if it goes to 10, you're getting at 5, you're already doubling your dough, right? Anyways, nothing here on the daily. Let's go to the 4 hour. We had bearish, we moved down again, trying to hold on to that 20. Again, I'm still in this project and I'm stuck, right? Let's play something else. This track is weird. Let's show you the outro song. Let's play something else. Figure out how this one goes. Anyways, bearish divergence, strong action to the downside. We move down again. I was scared here. Not scared, but I was worried that we were gonna go down. We did go down. It's not up extremely bad right now, so that's the only good thing, right? So there's really nothing, no divergence here. Sitting neutral at 46.32, right? So why am I saying no divergence? Low, higher, low, negative, less negative. Low on the RSI, higher on the RSI, even from here, right? Low to higher, right? So nothing there. Let's go to the 1 hour. Bearish divergence, right? Action to downside. We move down on that. Here, we finally created something bullish. I don't think we had this yesterday. Maybe we did. I'm not sure. I might have missed this. Or maybe the chart's not loading yet. I'm not sure. There's something off here. But, you know, we're going lower, right? We're coming in like this, right? And I think here we also have that. So let's see this. Slightly higher. 36.69, 36.11, right? Just like that. It's not letting me do that. There we go. Right like that. Anyways, we have that strong bullish potential for action to the upside. We went up, got above the 20. Now, I'm not going to call anything from here because we do technically have this higher point, right? So even though we're making a lower high, maybe here, no, nothing here, right? We're just moving down a little bit, rejecting. Yeah, maybe from here, right? We can anchor from here to here, and then from here to here, right? And say, look, ma, hit bearish, poof, crash. Move down slightly now, low, higher, low, negative, less negative, low on their side, higher on their side, nothing there. So We just have this. We're just rejecting the 20, right? Look at that. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rejections touching the 20. Start tightening on those Bollinger Bands. Let's see if we can manage to get above there and explode and expand to the upside with RSR. I think that's what I'm looking at for here, dude. That explosion to the upside. Neutral at 46.97 on the RSI. Wow, the tracks are super weird today. Yo, so I think, yeah, like there's no requests or anything out there yet, so I'm gonna start looking at like gold and silver and then start going through the rest of the stuff while you guys come up for something, right, or with something that we should look at. So while you guys do that, you know, I'll start going through the other stuff, right? Let's check out silver, man. Imagine you get above the 20, which is good, right? 27.32, right? $27.30 per troy ounce. Again, we had the hidden bullish, right? That's what we're moving up. That's great. That's about it, though, right? Silver, where's it at? Sorry, gold. 1,162, right? Getting above that potential triangle that we're looking at, right? Slightly breaking it. Again, yesterday we managed to get above the 20, which is good. Again, on hidden bullish. That's about it, right? So let's go check out the S&P. S&P managed to gain 42 points. Again, still below the 20, right? We had some kind of bearish. We lost it here. We moved down still with the rest of the market. Sitting neutral at 49.47. I'm not going to call anything here yet. Inter-island, right? We would have some divergence, like from here to here, right? From here to here. That would be kind of like bullish divergence hidden. Maybe why we're going up today. Nikkei, up 152 points, right? Getting above that 20 very nicely. Now, we're making divergence here, right, which is fine. Now, look at that, right? We're going slightly higher still. And we're still coming in lower here. Right, and coming in lower here as well. So, bearish divergence, right? Potential for action to the downside. See how this keeps on playing out. For Nikkei, Toronto up 137 points. Still below that 20, right, on hidden bullish. Let's see how that keeps on running. London down 70 points. Again, right now, I just managed to go slightly higher than the previous high. That's from here to here. Like that. And then we're creating these divergence, right, like that. And, strong bearish, right? Also here against the RSI. Potential action to downside neutral on the RSI at 57.41. And let's check out Dow Live, right? 59 points. Again, had a nice day yesterday. We had the hidden bullish, moving down, rejecting the 20 or near the 20. Today looks like it still wants to go up. We'll see what happens. We might get over at 20 today. The Dow managed to gain 327 points, right? Hit that 20 and rejected, right? Here it looks a little bit closer. Again, the hidden bullish still there. Waiting for it to finish playing out, right? That's all we have, though. Check out oil real quick. What's going on with oil? Again, if you guys have any requests, let me know, right? Otherwise, we'll just keep on looking at stuff, weird stuff, whatever stuff we find. Oil, we had the hidden bullish starting to stall at this area, right? So again, really nothing else happening. Sitting at $39.98. That's for Brent oil. Again, we have another chart for Brent oil showing the exact same thing. And then West Texas is creating the exact same thing, right? West Texas sitting at $37.18. So yeah. I'm not sure who's watching, but thank you all for being here. We have 8 people watching in total throughout all the platforms. Dude, I really, guys, thank you a lot for being here, for reals. If you like what we do, you know what to do. Hit that like that bell, that's up, right? subscribe to the channel for sure, man. You're gonna enjoy being on this channel. Someone requested the euro yesterday, like the Great British Pound, euro to the pound, right? And we called something. We're gonna check it out, dude. Oh snap, dude! Yeah, that bullish divergence running up, right? Hitting that resistance again, trying to confirm this as the local area. We talked about maybe confirming this is a local top, right? We couldn't do it yet. We went to the 4-hour, right? What do we find there? Bearish divergence. We moved down to 20, right? Like we called it, bro. Like we called it, right? Bitcoin Jake, and join the Discord. Yeah, guys, you should join the Discord. It's a pretty fun Discord. Thank you, Jake, for that reminder. Hitting bullish, then strong bearish action to downside, and we've been moving down since, right? We called this out good yesterday, right? So no bad calls here, right? What do we create afterwards till today? So, you know, from here to here going lower. Right, we're creating strong bullish. That's where we're going up, right, on the 1 hour. From here to here, right? Like that. Oh my god, dude, there we go. We have it. And here to here, we don't have it still here. So just against the MACD, right? Getting that price action to the upside, getting over that 20, which is key. And so get 92 cents, right? Or 92 pence or whatever this is. So we also got requested the euro, or the euro against the dollar, right? Or yeah, I think it was euro against the dollar. And we know we have it open, so we're gonna check it out because someone was asking me for a target yesterday. Like if 18, I think it was like they were talking about like 18.5 or something. I couldn't remember what they were asking for yesterday, but we had the bullish, right? We set action to the upside. We're floating with that 20. Managed to hold on to that, right? Steve S, how's it going, bro? Bitcoin for real or going down to 9,200 this week, dude? Yeah, we'll go back to Bitcoin in a second. But high, lower, high, right? Not a lot going on here. We were a lot much lower, but you know we pull back here now. That's good. Let's go to the 4-hour chart and figure out what's happening here against the euro to the dollar, right? Hidden bearish action to downside. We move down. All right, that's great. Now we took a bounce at the 20, and that's great. We just kept on going higher, but failing to go higher than the previous high. Again, they were asking for like a target of like 19 cents. I think, when were we last night here? We're here, right? Here, I think. And we're just getting to this area. So I did say we could go up to like 19 cents, or like, yeah, on the bounce. We haven't created anything bearish yet. Strong bullish still in effect, like we said, right? High, lower, high, positive, positive, high, lower, side, lower. And right now, on this candle, we're barely developing it, but I'm not sure if it's going to hold on to by tomorrow, but you know, we'll just go there. We'll go from here to here, right? Again, medium bearish divergence, so potential for action to the downside, right? That's what we're looking for. On that note, we also have it against the RSI here. I didn't anchor this to the 4 hours, so I'll just do that real quick. Otherwise, it's going to go to the 1 hour, and it's going to be messing around with us there, right? Then the 1 hour, right? Yeah, very possible that fills a lower CME gap. Yeah, we talked about that, dude. I'm gonna go back to it in a second though, because we already filled the upper gap, right? The one we said we're gonna fill first. That's the one we filled. Now we have the bottom one to fill, and we'll say why it could go down, right? Anyways, we were looking for this triangle, right? We knew we could be getting a move happening. We were like about to break it yesterday. A measured move would certainly see us hit somewhere like the 1930 area. Right, $1 at 19.3. Anyways, are we creating something? High, more possible. And we're creating some bearish divergence here. Right here against the RSI. Right, like that. Moving down, hitting that 20, taking a bounce, right? We're going slightly, we're at the same level again. Hard to call it, but you know, sideways right now. We'll just go with that. And we'll just go from here to here, right? Again, that's very tiny positive. And we're starting to create, it's kind of a type 2 bearish or medium bearish. Now we were creating strong bearish now, right? But just keep in mind, this is a new positive momentum island that's starting to develop. So it just, you know, it could start to build and go higher. and we could make more positive momentum. But right now we have this, and we just gotta observe it for what it is. Yeah, he's gonna go shower. Yeah, dude, that's a good idea, man. Yeah, dude, thank you for being here, man. Thank you for joining me tonight and being awesome supporters of the channel, right? Let's go check out Bitcoin on Steve's request. So what's happening with Bitcoin, right? Again, the 20 on the daily is going to determine a lot of things, I think. At least that's the way I'm seeing this, right? Yesterday we go high, we didn't get to a 20. Right now we're hitting that 20, which is good. Oh, I don't think we had hit it earlier when we were looking at this a little bit earlier. I'm just going to mess around with this a second. Look at that, the high, right? Look at where we went. High, 10,830. 10,837. Very close to resistance, right? We're rejecting right now. We rejected so much that we actually even moved below the 20. Starting to make that positive momentum, right? Which we gotta wait for it to build a little bit more, right? Before we actually are able to call something from back here. Now, every time we're coming lower, right? We're less lower on the other side, right? And now we're neutral at 49.17. So not a lot happening on the daily still. Just rejection of the 20. If we manage to get above the 20 and close above it and confirm that we're above it, maybe you see a support. We could be looking for higher prices, right? Maybe getting above 10,837, maybe getting above 11,120. But if we don't, we reject, then we move lower, right? And on that movement lower, we could definitely come all the way down here. First, 10,230, 10,243. And if we lose this area, we would definitely be looking for a retest or a test of that 9,658, right? Or sorry, 9,650 area. Now, what's happening here on the 4 hour, right? Going higher, right, with more positive momentum and higher on the RSI, right? Even from here to here, we're going higher. We're sitting bought at 67.94, so really not a lot we can call here. We had the hidden bullish that we called yesterday. That's what's making us run to the upside. We were here yesterday when we were live. We were struggling with the 20. Managed to open at 20, right? Hold support and bounce. So, you know, that's what we're doing right now. On that note, that's what we're getting the movement up. But again, rejection of the daily 20 would potentially see us go or head for lower prices. And on the 1 hour, right? What's happening? Look, this is just the 1 hour candle, right? We weren't there. We hadn't made that move. Which we said we could probably get up there, right? And still have bearish divergence, right? Look at that. We probably went slightly higher here. Not a lot. And here we still have that strong bearish. So right now we're looking for potential action to the downside here on Bitcoin, right? And that moving down. First, again, retest of 10,647 for support. Then we have the 20 to look forward to. Then 10,243. And then below that, 9,650. So on that note, is it for reals now, dude? It's just going to depend on what we do with the 20. Right now we're sitting good, right? We're sitting in a good area. Just have this bearish divergence on the 1 hour, right? On the 4 hour, again, like I said, we're clear. Don't have anything going on the 4 hour. And then on the daily, we're also clear. Right, but we're rejecting the 20. That's going to be very important, getting above that area. Now, where's the CME chart, right? Because we're going to look at that right now. Right, Bitcoin already closed this gap. That's why I deleted that the yellow line that I had here, right? So gap closed, right? That's been filled. Awesome. We filled the gap. Now, what's next, right? That's the question. And that is a $1,000 question because it's probably about a $1,000 move down if we manage to go down, right? We can still rally maybe to the 20 on the CME and maybe retest. And if we reject on the 20 here, we're definitely going to move for lower areas of value, right? That would be potentially lower than 10,000. And that could get us to a move that where we could come and close this gap at, where do we leave it? 9,615, right? So that's, it's all going to be dependent on the move, right? Again, if we fail to go to the 20, right, there could be a possibility we don't get to a 20, round off here and move lower, right? We've seen that happen. But at least I would be expecting a retest of the 20 before a movement to the downside. Again, on the daily, we're not that far off, right? We're just hitting that 20, and the daily here could potentially lead the sentiment on the CME, right? We don't have to get to the 20 on the CME chart. Here, rejecting the 20. Again, a movement down. Wouldn't be weird if we like came lower than this area, right? Maybe try to fund support here. Maybe try to create a double bottom, right, in this area, which would be great. That would be a bullish indicator. But I believe we do have that possibility of going lower, right? The Bollinger Band, the bottom part of the Bollinger Band, it's still below 9,650. And we know that when the Bollingers are expanded, movements within the range of the Bollinger Bands are fair game. So the movement could technically come all the way down here. We'll go all the way up here, right? Again, it's a wide gap. We're talking about almost 12K. And then on the bottom range, I'll just go here. 12,004 to 9,562, right? That's how wide the Bollinger Bands are spread, and that's how wide the moves we could get. Again, we're hitting for that mid part. We're going to test it. Hopefully we're able to get above it and reject lower prices. But right now we're really duking it for this area, right? Look at that. If I zoom in, we're still slightly below that 20 right now at 10,792. We're sitting at 10,777. So we're just like 15 bucks away, right? Or 14 bucks away. Right? Steve, that's where I'm at right now, right? It's not really 100% clear until we decide whether or not we're going to go above the 20 reject. So again, if you believe we're going to go lower and you're going long, or you have a position open on Bitcoin, set up a tight stop loss. And if we get above the 20, right, just make sure you have a good stop loss for potential moving down in case we reject any of the resistances that we have to the upside, right? I guess that's what I would be able to tell you right now. So a couple people tuned in still. Thank you all for being here, being amazing supporters of the channel, man, for reals. If you like what we do, you know what to do. Hit that like, that button, that sub, right? Haven't done it yet, join us on the Discord, man. It's a fun Discord channel that we have, right? Dude, Jake the man, dude, just went and like made it rain on people on the Discord, right? Look at that. People got free Bitcoin again. Wow, that's pretty awesome. Thank you, Jake, for the awesome rain again. And free stream requests. Wow, someone chatted here. Ooh, yeah, dude. Yeah, again, some of you got requests. Some of you got like privileged access to this area, right? It's only for whoever it's deemed to be a trooper. That means that you're here every day and you're on the Discord, right? If you're there and you're here every day, let me know who you are on the chat, and I'll add you here. And then you can make pre-stream requests, meaning that, you know, whatever you request from here until tomorrow, I'll definitely be queued, and we'll look at that before we look at anything that anyone requests on the stream. And then if you request anything while we're live, then it'll just go on the regular queue, let's say, right? But you get a chance to queue up coins prior to whoever's watching live. So that's pretty cool, I guess, right? And it's free, right? It doesn't cost you anything. So it's just one of those freebies that I'm grateful for you guys, and I'm letting you guys like be able to like get that advantage for being here every night and being awesome supporters of the channel, right? So again, great stuff going on in Discord. Got the coin kit, yeah, the coin kit bot there, right? And that's coming in and doing nice stuff for us. Cal's Bling just landed. Thank you, Cal's Bling, for joining us here. I'm not sure who you are, but thank you for being here, man. And you have like one of those South Park Canadian characters there, I guess. So yeah. Let's play something else, dude. This is like super heavy metal. Let's see if this one's good. Again, the tracks are just on random, and it's just from a copyright-free music source. So I have no clue, really, what's going to happen with the music, right? So if you guys want to request anything, let me know, dude. For reals. Yo. So yeah. Any requests, fair game, right? As we're waiting for requests. We've been live for an hour and 6 minutes. Again, it's an early stream. It's an early day. I know there's not a lot of people in the chat right now. But if you want me to look at something in particular, let me know and we'll check it out, right? Otherwise, I mean, I'm just like Otherwise, we're just gonna finish the stream because there's really no requests coming up. I already looked at some coins here. Let's see. I'm trying to see if there's anything really taking off. And I'm not seeing anything really taking off, dude. Again, my solo still doing freaking awesome, bros. Right, that free dough I got from Coinfield, still just making me more dough. Up 200% on the investment already. So it's pretty good, right? Free money. Made it grow, right? What is this? Steve asks, why am I doing this? Just curious, not an attack. Like, what's my motivation? Well, dude, I like crypto. And, I like trading, so... I just wanted to make a YouTube channel and do this, right? I would love for this to become my real gig someday, and I would be able to, like, you know, leave my job and do this. That would be extremely amazing, dude, because, you know, I could come in here, chill with people that like to talk about crypto. There's not a lot of people that I talk to crypto on day-to-day life, right? A lot of people are not even interested. So at least the people that I get here are a good community that want to talk about crypto. And if I'm able to do this full-time, then I'm probably going to be able to squeeze a little bit more streams or a couple more streams throughout the day. It's going to give me more time with my family, right? So in the end, yeah, it does have a promotive. But I'm doing this because I like it, right? That's why, dude, I'm like, it's free of charge, right? I don't request anything, dude. Tips are completely optional. Basically, all I'm asking for you guys is if you like what we do, like to share the content or maybe share the channel with people that you know, and maybe help the community grow. And then, you know, we'll see where it goes from there. But, you know, right now it's just like me just doing this, right? Anyways, yeah, dude, my Sologenic, right? $31.73. That's where it's at. I got $10 for free, just put it in solo because I didn't have anything else to put it on, or you wouldn't let me put it into anything else. And just going out with that, right? So check out Exia, just a new token. How to roll off launch, but it's pretty slick. Full of disclosure, you own some. Alright, cool, man. Let's see if it's quoting here, right? Exia. Right, so it's not quoting here. We're going to check it out somewhere else. CoinGecko. We'll go to CoinGecko, see if they have it there. Dude, I'm just finding this Axial, but not Axia, like you typed it. Where did it launch, or where's it quoting? I'll go to CoinMarketCap, see if they have it there, man. But I'm not seeing it, dude, for reals. Axial Entertainment Digital Assets. I think that's the only one I'm finding, bro. Let me know which one you want me to look at. Uniswap token. Right. Dude. Uniswap. Alright, cool. Just launch. Doubt it's anywhere. Alright, cool. Dude, I'm not even sure what I'm going to look for here. Damn, token safety alert. Anyone can create a name, any RC token, Ethereum, including creating fake versions of existing tokens. There is a claim to represent projects that don't have a token, similar to Etherscan. Alright, I understand. Basically, they're giving you a warning. Alright, so I want to go to Exia and see what's going on with this one, dude. Yes, I understand. Alright, Exia token. Liquidity, $9,134, right? 5% up. Volume traded, 23,137 transactions, 73 transactions per hour. Axia to Ethereum, right? Doesn't have a lot of volume going on here, so just liquidity, again, not a lot of volume. I mean, it doesn't have a lot of data, too, right? So, not sure where they're getting the chart from. Right, man, what? No, that's not what I wanted to look at. I'm trying to get indicators in here. I can't. Daily, dude. I guess we'll go on the daily first. Can you post a link? Send it. I'm not sure if you're gonna be able to post it here. Just send it in the Discord if you're in the Discord. Don't worry about it. Its volume's not gonna get much to go on. Just a few little super low market cap coins. Yeah, maybe, bro. I'm trying to get the price. It's like 46 cents, right? That's where it's at right now. I want to get some indicators, but I can't, dude. I can't see any indicators here. So not even volume. All right, let's see volume, dude. Yeah, but it doesn't put it against price. So, fuck. Well, let's try to see if we can get the same volume over here. No, it just went down. So, again, not data rich, right? So there's something on the Discord, I guess. Or not. Maybe not. There's nothing on the Discord yet. I'm not sure if the bot's gonna let you place a link, dude. I think they're kind of like reserved for admins and for me, just to make sure people are not posting links to illegal sites, I think. So. Again, hard to chart without any information, bro. So if you send me a link, that's gonna be awesome. Again, Uniswap is weird, right? I'm not sure if I'll be doing trades here. I know a lot of people like this, but you know, it's fine, I guess. To access to Ethereum, I guess it's not gonna let me show that. Alright. So that's not where we want to go, right? I just want to look at pairs. Let's go to pairs. Right. Dude, I think... I'm not even sure here, man. Anyways, dude, while you send me that link... Alright, cool, it's here. Awesome, you sent it to me here on the Discord. Great. There we go. It's open here on the site. I always make sure everything's kosher before we move in here. Cool. Live coin watch. Great. Axia Protocol. Sitting at 46 cents. Yay. Again, dude, you know, Inception, usually what happens, right? 46 cents. 46.7, and then 46.714. Not a lot of movement, right? Again, let's go on the 24 hour. Let's go on the 7 day. I guess that's all we have. Oh, Snap's starting to go lower in the Pritz Valley. Not a lot of data, dude. On Uniswap, positions are very spread out, dude. $88 to one side, $88 to the other side. So I'm not sure how much the gap is. Will it tell me? Nope. Let's accept that. Alright, here it is, the depth chart. Alright, that's what we wanted to look at. So we had some volume around 46.3. Median is at 46.7, and then we have some volume here for sales at 47. So again, not a super wide spread. So I'm checking out the link you sent me, so that's pretty cool. Trading on one exchange, so he's just trading on Uniswap. Again, there's not a lot of data here, right? And the chart's also not data rich, so So it's hard to like do something without any information, right? It's just a fun token. You buy one of these every once in a while, like a loaded ticket. Hells, dude, if you don't mind, like, I mean, again, right? Trading is one of those things that you gotta be able to put money that, and you have to assume that you're taking a risk, and you know that it could not pay off. But if you're willing to do that, and you know that it could go down, and you're gonna take a hit, and it's just like pocket change for you, like you don't mind if you lose it, then that's fine. But if it's something that you're putting money because on the hopes that it's gonna go to the moon and you're gonna become a millionaire, and you're putting your life savings, then you should probably recheck your priorities and talk to a real financial advisor as to why you shouldn't do that. Check out ETN next. That one's much higher volume. All right, we'll check out ETN. We'll see if it's trading here, dude. All right, ETN to dollar. We'll go with that one, right? Again, music getting super heavy, dude. What's wrong with the Techno X today? ETN to dollar. Right, so half a cent, right? 0.53 cents. This one has a little bit more information to go on with, right? Don't look too bad, right? Right, so first things first, right? Coming in slightly lower. And then we're definitely coming in here slightly higher and also here. So some hidden bearish divergence. Action to the downside, we got that move. Now, do we go lower here? No, slightly higher. All right, so we don't have anything bullish here. On that note, we tried rally. We made more positive into higher and our things were good here, right? We're moving down again. Low, lower, low, negative, more negative. No savings. You're a licensed financial advisor. Crypto's like your secret crack life. All right, that's pretty sweet, man. Where are you? Where are you licensed at, or where are you a financial advisor at? RSI 36.71, 35.76 again, coming in slightly lower, a little bit lower here. Also, it's really nothing bullish, dude. I'm trying to determine why we're getting a bounce here. I cannot see anything on the indicators that you should look for. Maybe the shorter time scales will give us a clue, right? Let's go to the 4 hour. Yeah, definitely some strong bullish here, right? Yeah, coming in lower here. And then going from here to here. Right, so in that account, we're making strong bullish divergence, potential action to the upside, or not potential, but action to the upside. That's what would be expected from the bullish divergence. Forget to anchor this in the 4 hour. There we go, man. We're going to re-anchor real quick. Coming in lower still on there, so that's fine. Taking a bounce, right? Going higher, again coming in lower. So creating that strong bearish divergence right now. I'm not going to go too much into history. I'm not sure I want to get the flow. Right, I just want to see what's happening right now. Moving down again, trying to hold on to 20. It looks like we're going to... Well, it looks like we're trying to hold on to it right now. Gone below it twice, but still holding on to it. That's great. We either got to take off or, we're going to crash below that area. Negative momentum is starting to build. Are we doing something on negative momentum? No. Low, higher, low, negative, less negative, low on the RSI, higher on that RSI. So really, we just have this strong bearish right now on the 4 hour, and it's not breaking us below the 20 yet. So that could be a bullish indicator, right? That that we're really not going to disregard this, and the bull market's still having some effects here, right? So that's about it, dude. So let's go to the 1 hour chart. Alright, cool. So here, right, going higher. From here to here, we don't have anything bearish, right? Going higher every time, even from here to here. And here, we're still going higher, so nothing bearish. We'll move down slightly. Dude, what the hell? Some hidden bullish here. That's where you're stalling at this area, maybe. Trying to hold on to that hidden bullish. And see where we're going to go from here. Sideways motion, tightness of the Bollinger Bands. Higher, more positive, higher on their side every time. Look at the positive momentum right now. Snap, I want to move that. There we go. What is this? 159, 14, 159, 633, 159, 273. Slightly higher here, right? So there's really not a lot with this project, dude. The chart is not really giving me a lot of information to go on with. At least not with the stuff that I'm looking for right now. Maybe I can get something else to look at here. Let's see. Let's go to daily. Get some peeps out here. Now use the wicks for this one. Just want to see where we're at. There we go. Alright, 618, right? Looks like we're trying to hold on to price above that 618. We move from low to high, we retrace to 618. That's usually the end of the main retrace zone. We even retrace a little bit deeper. That could indicate that we are ready to do a U-turn, but I'm not seeing any bullishness to go here, right? So I'm gonna leave it as is right now. Maybe, dude, if I were to go from here to here, but again, I will be ignoring this island, this small island here. But I guess that could be fair, right? On the count that we're going from the previous low right here to the new low here, and some hidden bullish, right? I think that's what we could do. Try switching to KuCoin as the exchange. I think they have higher volumes. All right, cool. I'm just looking at ETN, $2 ETN. Right, KuCoin. There we go. I think the chart's gonna look more or less similar, but yeah, we'll figure it out here, right? I think more negative. Low on their side, lower, right? Nothing bullish here. Nothing bearish here, right? Short term. Yeah. Here either. Again, it looks like I'm looking for that same move here, right? Even though the charts are different, the move is more or less the same from here to here. And then from here to here, right? Again, similar moves. Hidden bullish. So let's go to the 4 hour, dude. Strong bearish there, right? Strong bearish divergence just against the MACD, nothing against the RSI. Holding on to 20, right? Again, it looks very similar, right? Like we're still holding on to a 20. Low, higher, low, negative, less, negative, low on their side, higher on their RSI, right? Let's see here. Strong bullish here, right? Right here. Here is like 438. This is like 381. So again, slightly less. We don't have it against the RSI. Strong bullish here. Getting us to the upside, creating strong bearish, starting to move down, trying to hold on to a 20. Right, neutral at 56.16 on the RSI. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. What do we have here, man? We have some weird wick here. Higher, more positive, higher on the RSI, right? Then hidden bullish here, right? Again, same stuff that we looked at the other chart. I'm not seeing anything that's like super different from what we've seen already. So you know, it's okay, I guess. So remain here, right? Hidden bullish. Even here we don't have it, right? So stalling at this area, again, short-term fibs, right? Like, dude, short-term fibs. What do I want to go for short-term fibs? Oh, well, I don't care from here, dude. You know, I guess that's fine. I'm gonna ignore that wick, I guess, right? Yeah, I'm gonna ignore that wick. It could be FOMO. We'll go here. Trying to hold on to at 236, right? Trying to find support there, I guess. Went up a little bit, right? Stream elements. Tip to Stellar Crypto. Awesome, bro. NTBC to the moon. We'll check that out, dude. Dude, thanks for the tip. I don't have anything enabled here, dude. But thank you for trying to tip, dude. Yeah, not Trollcoin yet, dude. That's on my pending list. Yo, Benny, how's it going, bro? It's been a while, man. We get a request for NTVC, dude, right? So NTVC. You gotta check that in a second, dude. Just let me finish Electronium and we'll check that out, right? Has no neutralized like censorship resistance. That's cool, man. Look, I've been looking at Trollcoin, right? I have it here. I just haven't installed it yet. So, on that note, no Trollcoin. Sorry about that, guys. But thanks for the attempted tip. Much appreciated. Yeah, dude. I just haven't done it. But, yeah. Thanks, bro. Much appreciated. Right, so let me finish this one real quick and we'll check that other one. Dude, Benny, yeah, dude, no worries, bro. Thanks for being here, man. Much appreciated, bro. Yeah, still doing this, right? So, good stuff, right? Still looking it out every day, right? So again, we're looking for this, right? So again, holding on to that support, right? Not failing to like retrace deeper. I guess we got this retrace here, right? And then, you know, valid retrace already. Trying to go higher and holding on to this. But on the daily, that's why we really wanted to look at the fibs. So I'll get rid of this fibs again. Or you know what? I'll just send them to the 1 hour chart. We'll have them there. Settings. Just a 1 hour time scale. Get rid of them on the daily. Right here is when I was looking for fibs, right? So, you know, from the lowest point, that will be this one, to the highest point here. And you know, we've got local lows below before. So, you know, on this chart, again, trying to get above that 618, right? If we go short term, we will be going from here to here. So short term would just be going from like that's the nearest high point here, right? So from here to here, right? So you know, just get too many lines there. Right now, I do believe this is what we could be doing, right? Doing the retrace at 618, hitting that area, trying to go higher. That's what I would be guessing would be happening here with Electrum, right? But again, hidden, strong bullish right now, creating strong bearish. And this is from another time scale, right? He just came over here to play with us, the 4 hour. Should be matched with something here. There we go. And then this from the 4 hour as well, I think, right? So we'll just send these things to their home at the 1 hour chart or the 4 hour chart, wherever they came from, and you know that's gonna be good for it. Thank you, Steve, for asking about you know, Electrum. We checked it out. Now we're gonna go. We're gonna look at what was that coin? NTVC, right? Oh, it's not coming up here, dude. I can't find it. So first, let's go to CoinGecko, see if we can find it there, right? Where's it trading? Where is it trading at? It's at 0.0000, like 4 zeros and then 38 cents, right? So again, one of those coins that it's cheap to get in and probably good to be there, right? TLGT, right, bro? We'll check that out, dude, for sure, Benny. Dude, it's a pleasure checking out stuff for you, dude. I just miss you, dude. I haven't seen you in a long time. So cool to have you here, man, for reals. At Robinhood, I recently got wrecked on Binance buying CRB, and your best trade was selling the pump of Jibo, right? Been busy posting on Twitter. Right, cool. That's awesome, bro. It's great that you're doing good, man. You going back to Arcadium? Dude, I was gonna check out the notes, Sansarismo, but thanks for being here, man. Much appreciated. Yeah, dude, Arcadium is the one that told me to like install that coin. I just really haven't like gone around to do it. Thanks for that, man. Again, gotta try to check this out just because you get requested markets. It's not on any of the large exchanges. That's why I'm not seeing it. But I'll do research into the coin, dude. I'll check it out, right? And we'll try to like find it on another chart and chart it, right? Anyways, let's go with Benny's request here. TLGT, right? right? Intelligent Inc. Dude, let's check this out, bro. Stocks, right? High, higher, high, positive, more positive. That's great. There, higher also. That's great. Let's see, dude. Let's see what we have here, right? Right. So first things, right? Strong bullish. Potential for action to the upside, right? Getting higher, right? Hitting that 20, rejecting, not what you want to see. Again, this is $1.22, right? See, let's see here, dude. Coming in lower here, so nothing there. And for this one, dude, I'm actually gonna look at another chart that I have here on the side. It's also quite good. I like this one, and this is gonna be TLGT, right? I'll show you that. I'll show you this one in a second. I just want to see this one. Alright, so good stuff, right? Looking at this on the weekly, and I have this indicator called the Parabolic SAR, which is one of the tools that I sometimes use to rely on it and make sure that my calls are going good or bad. Italian market cap at 6 minutes, and it's 6 million, it's 50 million, or delisted from NASDAQ in a few months. Yeah, dude, again, dude, look, TLGT on Parabolic SAR, it's saying that you should get in, right? I have some RSI here, but there's nothing bullish going on. It's below all indicator, all moving averages, right? Exponential and simple, so that's not necessarily the best. Here it tells you to prepare to get in. The green here, it's just triggering to get in, so you should have gotten in yesterday. But sometimes this screws up, right? Look, it would have sent you to get in here and then send you to get out here immediately and taking a hit. So again, it's not 100% foolproof way to do this, but it's also here on the daily indicating an in, right? Potential in, then really potential in, and then now in. Hit the 20 and rejecting. That's what I'm not liking, right? That's what I'm seeing here on the other chart also. Hit the 20 and rejecting. And on this chart here on the side, let's check this one, dude. 5, 4, still less, but almost look like we're about to make some kind of bearish divergence there, but we don't have it now. So we do have this strong bullish, right? Again, that was the in, right? At least to hit the 20. It's hit the 20 already. So that would be a potential out. Right now moving down. Let's see if we have anything here, dude. Let's go to the 4 hour. Again, these lines are from the daily, right? It's just on stocks I rarely go to shorter time scales, but you know, on this chart we'll do it. Maybe more native, right? Coming in lower, dude. High, lower, high, right? So some bearish here, strong bearish here, right? It's going there, going here, and then also right here to here. So coming down, so bearish divergence. Now, even from here to here, right? Look at this hidden bearish, right? So potential action down. And we also have it here against the RSI, right? From here to here. Hidden bearish, right? Potential movement down. Trying to hit the 20, see if we can hold on to it. Tightness of the Bollinger Bands, meaning we could be expecting a wild move to come in. Neutral at the RSI at 47.29. Are we making all-time lows here? I'll go on the weekly, dude. It might be easier. We got near this low, but never this low, let's say, right? So, I'll even zoom in here at this area and try to see if we have that same. Yeah, we never hit this low, right? We went close to it, but never had it, so let's go even farther back, man. Right, since 1982, it's never been this low. So that's not good, right? You're buying all-time lows, right? You sometimes get bounces, but you really don't have a lot of indicators going on here, right? Because anything that I throw at this is going to reject it with something else. In short term, your trend is still going down. Oh, dude. Yeah, all-time lows. This is a great entry, dude. Let's see. There has to be something, right? On a positive note, and this is something I would just say with a lot of care here, is you're coming in like this, right? And you're coming in like this. So we could say that we're making a sort of falling wedge, right? Those usually break to the upside, right? But I don't like the trend, dude. Target $6. Let's take a measure. $24 if you break this falling wedge to the upside, but I doubt you're gonna get to $24. It's a massive move, right? It happened over years. All right, so let's zoom in closer here and see if we can spot a shorter term trend, right? So we're looking for a larger trend of a falling wedge, but at least from here, right? Let's check this out from here. Let's go from here to here, and then from here to here again. Falling wedge still, but they're really not triggering, right? This shorter falling wedge might get you closer, I guess, to the $6 range. Break to the upside, $10. But I'm not seeing any strong technicals for this to pump, dude. Right, so this is a weekly I'm looking at, right? So the daily. Let's look at the term daily though. Right, going from here, coming from here, the falling wedge still there, right? That would just be like this. Maybe even more like a downsloping channel, but yeah, falling wedge will suit this, right? Now this scale falling wedge again, it is a sizable move, right? Again, $7.95. So your $6 target to earn a break to the upside, it's legit. I'm just not sure if this is gonna get it though. I mean, this seems to be the largest move you made recently, right, to the upside. So if you even were to get it from here, $5.89. So yeah, your $6 target's still within range, but I'm not sure, dude. Not sure about this project, man. I would even go as far as ignoring the wicks and then maybe coming here to the bodies, right, and go body to body, and try to get maybe a different pattern to show, but. Right, so you'll see there and there, right? Still it's a falling wedge, you just tighten it a little bit more. And again, that move is very similar, right? It might be even slightly less. Now, what I was anticipating here, so maybe this will be close enough, but you know, I'm moving up again. $5.32, dude. I'm not sure, Benny, if this is gonna be hit. Maybe you get a moving up. But you don't have a lot of stuff going on, right? You have some strong bullish. Right now you have some hidden bearish. Let's see how this really holds on, right? This from the 4-hour chart again. I forgot to anchor it there. Right, on the daily you just have strong bullish. From the short time scales you have some bearishness. So I would say be careful, dude. Let's say there's other stocks that I've looked at that have a better chance of performing better than this. Right? Look, what do I have here? JT went up 4% today, right? We're hunting for the divergence. Look at that. Getting near the 20, right? So very, very nice move. And if you would have gotten in when we talked about this, or whenever I watched this, I haven't talked about all the stocks that I have open, but look, 13% gains since September 9th, right? Then another one that I had on my watch list is WRK, right? This one I had on my watch list. I don't have any technicals for it. It just wasn't my watch list. So again, it went up 5% today. ADTX, it's also on my watch list. It was making all-time lows, right, from inception. I didn't have a lot of data, but look at that, man, making 12% gains today, right? Again, coming down. Now, when I looked at it first, it didn't have that data, but look at this, right? Coming in lower and going in like this, right? So some strong bullish divergence, potential action to the upside, got oversold, getting back to sold. So again, these had technicals to go up. Yeah, no worries, Benny, bro, for sure, man. Time will tell. It's high risk, high reward trade. Yeah. There's other ones that are doing, like XSPA. This one I also was looking at, right? Look at that strong bullish divergence I was looking at here on the first. Again, it's one of those ones you just keep on tracking, right? Again, it went up 5% today, or 9% today. But overall, from the lowest point till right now, it's about a 15% move, right? 13% move. And again, it's about $2, right? It was a dollar and 66 cents. It still has yet to hit the 20. ATHX also was on my watch list, right? Look, I was looking for the divergence here. It did move up the next day, 6%. But again, you know, keep on tracking, right? Keep on checking this and keep on checking this, and we still have that strong bullish. Look at that nice bounce this one took. It's already hitting the 20, getting above it. So this one would have been a little bit better, right? 17% gains again. Got in at $1.90, right? Could get out $2.22, right? Cost, dude. This one's also going up 3%, right? I was looking for something here. We didn't have any technicals. That's why I haven't gotten in this one. Triple I, right? Was also one that was on my watch list. Went up 2% today, so not a lot. Uxin, right? This one's on my watch list. Also, look at that, man. I'm not sure if we ended up going in this one or not. So I'm wondering with my dad on the stocks, but look, this one. It posted 25 gains the day after we looked at it, and then from here to here, dude, right? Look at that, 30% gains, right, in a couple days. Right, so at least from here to here, right? Like 8 bars, 13 days. 13 days, you would have gotten 31% up, right? And it was an 80-cent entry, right? 76-cent entry. So there are good stocks out there, man. Right? IBO, right? This one also, we're looking for that bearish divergence, right? We're looking for a touch of the 20, hit the 20. You know, I'm not sure if we're still in this one, but it's gotten a good movement, right, from entry. So, let me enter this one here. We traded this intraday, I think. But look, 14% gains, right, over the span since we marked entry here. And what else, dude? I think this is the ones we looked at recently, right? That's usually what I have a list that I have a watch list that I go to, and that's where I try to find what I'm going to get into, right? But yeah, we'll see, bro. We'll see on the other stuff that you got in. Anyways, yo, how many people in? 5 people. Awesome. Thank you all for being here, guys. We've been live for an hour and 44 minutes. Does anyone have any requests? Let me know. Yo, Benny, how are things going, dude? Are you back in school? I know you got hit with the COVID thing. You got a different strand of COVID, and I know you were like down and out for a while, but hope things are going good for you, bro. And hope that you're back at like electrician school, or at least I hope you're doing good, bro, for reals. But thanks for showing up, bro, and thanks for being here. Much appreciated. Yo, Steve, for sure, man. You should send it over, man. Detox tools or Dex tools or whatever this is. Dex, yeah, Dex tools, I guess. All right, so we're gonna check this out, dude. Ethereum to Distix. What, dude? What is this? At least this chart is being provided by TradingView, right? So we're gonna be able to look at this, but what is this, dude? For reals. These are 8.8 cents, right? That's where it's sitting at. What am I looking at? 15 minutes. Screw the 15 minute, dude. Let's go to the 1 hour. Let's get some indicators out here. Let's get the snap. Is it gonna let me type it in? Nope. All right, let's go here again. Oh fuck, dude. All right, MACD. Let's see if it shows it. MACD. Here we go. And let's go for RSI, relative strength index. There we go, dude. Let's fix this so we can look at this a little bit better. So you're gonna let me fix it? Yeah, dude. Settings. There we go. Right on, dude. So let's get bars first. They're columns, and then make them green so we can see them a little bit better. There we go. Great. So low, higher, low, negative, less, negative, low, and there's a higher. Nothing bullish here, short term. Dude, coming in lower, going in higher, hidden bearish, right? At least that's the first thing I'm looking at here. Right, that move there, and then this move here, right? Again, from here to here, even from back here, it's still the same. There we go. Why is it moving when I'm doing things? I don't like that. It shifts it. That's weird. It's trying to anchor, probably. Is it activated? Nope. There we go. Anyways. So some hidden bearish, right? Action to the downside. We're starting to get that happening. Low, higher, low, negative, less, negative, low on their side, higher on their side. So at least on the 1 hour, we don't have anything bullish. We just have this hidden bearish. So I'm going to go to the 4 hour and see what we can find there, right? The 4 hours. There's not a lot of data here, dude. Again, on the 4 hours, like we've just been going down, not on all-time lows. We're taking a bounce. Can we call this a local bottom? Let's get the fibs. And they're going to look weird, not the way we have them on our channel, but, you know. I'm not even sure if it's going to let me fib. Why is it not letting me fib? What the hell? Dude, this is weird. I don't want to fib. Why are the fibs not showing, dude? That's very weird, man. Alright, look at that. When I put them there, it's not showing the fibs. So let's undo that. I'm back on the 1 hour, I guess. Maybe you'll show me the fibs here. Nope, not showing the fibs, dude. So that's weird. Jake! Oof, massive dump. Why did you eat the whole pizza? Wow, dude, you eat a whole pizza? You fucking... Dude, you're freaking skinny. I'm not sure if you're super skinny, but in the picture that you have, everywhere that you post, you look like you're super skinny, bro. So, I'm not sure how you ate a whole pizza, bro. These are two of your fun bags of tricks. But, dude, Steve, tricks are for kids, man. I'm kidding. That's a silly rabbit. Oh, dude. So I cannot get the... Oh, dude, I cannot get the fibs out here. We'll just have to do, like... I don't want to do manual fibs. I guess we're going to have to do... Right, so... I don't want to do manual fibs, dude. Fibs click and drag. I know, dude. It's not letting me fib, dude, right? Look at that. Right, they disappear. Right, look at that. Right, so see, it's not letting me place the fibs. They show up briefly, but I guess it's either having a problem here or something's off with the chart, right? Look at that. I'm placing them, and like I even click and let go. I click and drag. They're not working, bro. Like going up straight, going down straight, right? Like nothing's working for fibs. Like they work a little, and then they, like see, they disappear. Maybe the browser I'm using, dude. Let me change this. Let's close this. I'll go on another browser. Yeah, see, he doesn't even let me search for the indicator. So at least let me get the MACD and the RSI here real quick. There we go. Again, adjust. Alright, settings. Make them columns. And then make it bars. That way we can see them easier, right? There you go. Right on. So let's go on the 4 hour. Let's see if I can throw fibs here. Fibonacci. First, let's move that thing out of the way so I can see properly. And there we go, man. Oh, snap, dude. They're not working here either, right? Look at that. Not letting me fib, dude. Right? So weird, bro. Anyways, I was trying to gauge whether or not we're making a valid retrace, and I can't. I don't want to do manual fibs because I need to open an Excel file, then put the fib targets as, like, you know, percentages of the whole from high to low, and then with my targets. You know, I'm not gonna do that right now. And I'll just have to come in and like praise, like straight lines, right? But you know. Low, higher, low, negative, less, negative, right? Again, not a lot of data on the 4 hours still. Yeah, dude, it's not letting. I even switched to Brave, dude. Right? I was in like whatever that was. That other browser I was using. I think it was Edge or whatever. Now I went on Brave, and it's not even showing here, right? And this is Chrome based, so. Right, look at that, right? They disappear, right, all of a sudden. That's weird. Wow, tracks got really weird. Let's change that. No, we're going to change that track also. There we go. So, dude, it's just going up slightly. It's having good recovery right over the last couple hours. So, let's say you even got in here, right? So, let's say you got action at 7 in the morning, I guess. Whatever this is. We're going for an 18% gain, right, today. So, that's not bad. Let's go to 1 hour. And we would have saying you would have gotten in here at 9:52. What's it marking at right now? 21. So, yeah, it's a couple hours behind me, but not too many. So let's say you even got here, right? So let's be a little bit realist. You're still taking a 17% gains in like 12-hour period or so. Ah, here they go, dude. Fibs work here. Great. Awesome. I guess they were just not working on the other chart, on the 4-hour chart for some reason. Ah, now they don't work. What the hell? They work briefly, and now I cannot get them to show again. Let's see. Ah, oh, come on, bro. I shouldn't have deleted them when I had them, right? Let me see if I'll go Control-C. We'll bring them back. I undid them. So it's really not letting me fib, dude. That just fucking sucks. Let's get a line here. Right? So line... I want a line, and it's still stuck on fibs, dude. That's weird. Let's see. See? I'm clicking here on the line tool, and I just want to fib. So there's something wrong with the way this is loading, right? Right, but we just have that bearish that I'm looking at from here to here, right? From here to here, short term from here to here. All right, coming in lower. We're getting rid of it with this nice bar, but it's not there, and I really want to use lines. It's not letting me use lines, dude. What? Okay, cool. Ah, it let me fib. Awesome. So we'll try to use this one, so although they're not going to be the best anchoring points, right? So we'll go there, and then we'll go higher. Again, not the way I want to fib. So I want it to go from high to low, but same targets but inverse, right? So we are getting above that 236, right? That would be the 236. And we're heading for that 382. That would 618. It's the 382. It's the inverse, right? So they both add up to 100%. So now I have fibs. So we're making a valid retrace. That's good. We'll see if we get to the area, right? That 618. So valid retrace. We could be climbing back up to the 382 and then the 50% and then the 618. The 618 would be up here at the 382. Can I make this go the opposite way? Maybe. Yo, there we go, man. Great. I never shifted them like that, dude. I usually just go the way I need to, and that's it, right? So look at 382, right? Getting above that, heading to that the 236, right? Heading to that 382 and then the 50%. We're probably gonna face resistance here, maybe, right? We do have a wicks here at this area where we're at, right? Look at that. We wicked once, we wicked twice here. So this could become a potential area of resistance where we're at 0.95. But we could go to Ascent very easily, and then maybe find some resistance here also. Right up here. So yeah, dude. No, I just did them over a couple candles, and now they work. So, you know, that's cool though. It was very weird to get them to work. But nice recovery, right? Look, from the low, from the all-time low that we made here, over 23% recovery. That's fairly good, right? Again, right now we'll be making a 23% recovery, 23.9, so almost 24% recovery. Anyways, again, just the bearish divergence short term, right? That's what's worried me a little bit. Let's see if it'll now let me. Yeah, now it's gonna let me place the line. There we go, bro. All right, great. Like, look, we're going higher, and again, coming in lower, right? Shift this there. There we go. All right. Strong bearish. That's the only thing I'm looking at right now. All right. Again, it just shifts them weird, dude. It's not letting me anchor where I want to. See, I let go and it just moves it, dude. It's weird. There we go. Alright, I think that's the only thing we have right now that's worrying me. I mean, we can get rid of this if this manages to pump higher than this high. Right, 0.0011. 0.0012. But now we're at 0.0010, right? So very, very, very close. That movement up could come in very quickly, and then, you know, we'll get rid of that. Longer time scale, right? Right, so from here to here, high to lower high, right? And then look at that, right? What is wrong with this, dude? This side is super weird. Now it's not letting me draw lines. Ah, dude, I just fucking hate this. Anyways, look, high, lower, high, right? Low point to a higher point. Hidden bearish against the RSI, strong bearish against the MACD. Let's see if we can actually go higher than this, right? Anyways, that's gonna be it for this coin, dude. I'm getting desperate with this chart. It's just freaking weird how it's working. But thanks for that request, bro. Steve, thank you for letting me know. And you said you were like a like for reals financial advisor, right? So where are you a financial advisor at, bro? I was like wondering where you do a financial advisor at. Let's go check out Bitcoin real quick. Right, still below that 20 on a daily, right? Let's see the hour, how we doing, dude. Again, bearish divergence, right? We still have that, so just be careful, right? Strong bearish. Overbought at 71.08 now. Ethereum, let's go check out Ethereum, dude. We didn't have anything on Ethereum. New candle open, yeah. Again, look at Bitcoin, right? Decreasing its strength as we're going higher. Let's go see XRP, dude. The underperformer. XRP, dude, not doing a lot, dude. Yeah. So anything else you guys want to look at, let me know. It's fair game. If you guys like what we do, hit that like, that bell, and that sub, right? And if you don't, definitely hit that like and that bell and that sub also. I did. I'm a nerdy owner of a boutique wealth management firm. You don't have your name in a trading license. I don't have my name trading licenses, though some of the guys at the firm do. You do more of customer relations. That's awesome, bro. Got a weird email today from someone. Right. Like Mudrex or whatever this is. Hi, instead of crypto. I'm Shane, head of partnerships and growth at Mudrex. Mudrex recently happened to go through the channel. Like, they want me to like do something. I'm not sure, but it's weird, right? Anyways, work together on creating content, pre-decided topics. I can share YouTube content links and channels with my users. Exposure potential 10,000 subscribers, $300 worth of Mudrex credit. It's a program where I get 50% earnings, but that's the basic program, though, right? I'm not sure. I just said I'm interested. I'm just gonna check them out and see what they do, right? I think this is a website, Mudrex. Alright, so, dude, I'm not sure. Like, I guess, you know, they get $25. You do your own trading bot. I was, like, trying to figure out what you do here, but, you know, sounds interesting. I'll just have to check them out with a little bit more time and really figure out what they do and how, like, this will work, right? But, anyways. I'm not sure what these are, dude. Maybe some people's bots or something, I'm not sure. Anyways. Weird, right? Try to check something here by vibrating my phone, but I don't think it's anything important. Dude, it's starting to get to that point where there's not requests coming in, so we've been live for 2 hours and 2 minutes. Magic time. I think we're gonna call it a stream for today, guys. So I guess thank you for being here, Jake. Yeah, you're 195 pounds. Yeah. Yeah, bro, that's a lot, dude. A whole pizza is a massive amount to eat. Yo, thanks, Steve, dude. Thank you for joining me, dude. Thanks for being here. Jake, dude, thank you for being here, man. Awesome to have you here, man. Peace, love, and huddle. I agree with you. Yeah, guys, thank you for being here. It's a pleasure joining you guys tonight. Being here or doing the stream for y'all. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for being here at the State of Crypto. I'll catch you tomorrow for another edition of State of Crypto, right? Something happening. Discord link going out, I guess. Yeah, join us on Discord, guys, for reals. I feel like we do hit that like that on that sub, right? That's gonna be it for tonight, guys. Again, yeah, I'll catch you tomorrow for another edition of State of Crypto. Until then.